fall across the room. Memories that haunt you